Good afternoon. Coming at you today from 12985 Lillian Highway in Pensacola, Florida. That's 32506. Home we are featuring today is tucked back, far off from the road, as you can see, for privacy. Brick facade, generous front porch. Bring your rocking chairs. And let's take a peek inside. So inside we are treated to 945 square feet. This is 2-bedroom, 2-bath home, currently being used for short-term rentals. Very clean inside and out. Got the laminate countertops, all appliances present. The main living areas, we have the luxury vinyl plank flooring, as you can see. Vaulted ceiling, etc. Bedroom number 1. Nicely appointed. We've got a walk-in closet and the bathroom here. Full bathroom with shower tub combo and single vanity. Hall closet. Entering the master suite. Straight into the master bath with a single vanity and shower tub combo its own. The master bedroom. Double doors leading to the backyard. Take a look outside. Okay. Acreage sitting at 0.2473. So nice little backyard for entertaining. Not too much to manage, to maintain, but enough for the pup or the kids to run around and frolic. This home was built in '07. And it's just a cutie patootie starter home, or you could also use it as one of those short-term rentals, as is currently the situation for this seller. So again, we are out here at 12985 Lillian Highway in 32506. Y'all come set eyes on it yourself.